Here we are. Hotel California. First cast of the evening. What do you think? Is a shark or There's stingrays for days out here lately. That's the color right there. There it is. Dang. Look. Freaking stingray, dude. That's just amazing. That is truly amazing.
It's peeing on you.
The rays. We got something, we got something. Fish on. Ooh. Oh, it's taking it. It's taking it. Ooh. Juicy one. Yep. I got color. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yeah, bitch. Oh, yeah. There you go. There you go.
No, it's a fish.
Good. Nice. Yeah, buddy. That's a bull, son.
Oh, yeah. That's definitely past 20 stuff.
Damn.
That was a nice fight right there.
Cool, thanks.
It's a red fish.
Yeah, buddy. What size are we looking at? 33. Nice. Oh, man. You're going to learn how to fillet this piece.
You stick your finger in there, it's really gross. It's never a sushi, just so you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was about to say you can get a better angle if you look at it like that.
Oh, I've never seen a fish be
Are you local or you got a condo you're staying at or something?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna grill it tonight.
Oh
My God.
That's some like woo, look at them fillets.
Go say, is he bad? Oh, did he even tell you he's Harry back? He knows it.
How big was it?
33.
33?
Oh yeah, Italian dressing, minced garlic, game on.
And butter.
Alright, and butter. Right?
Like lemon, pepper.
Oh,
I use lemon pepper.
yes. Oh, yes. Olive oil is pretty good too. Thank you, my good man.